You've dented your exhaust, and I'm trying to get this. This is a balanced pipe from the exhaust system, trying to get it off. I put it in the device to get off the end, and I managed to damage it. This nice dent in it here, which I'm really annoyed by. So on Amazon, I bought this, and I'm opening it for the first time, hoping that I can get this kit to go in here and expand big enough to take that out. Now, looking at the bits, that's not going to go in. Oh, this one will. Now, by putting it in, can it expand big enough to take that out? I'm not sure. Oh, let's see how this works. So that will tighten in. How big can this go? Oh, it can go fairly big. It looks like possibly could, so we'll give this a try. So I've never used this. It's brand new. I know a lot of places to grease it up before you use it, so I shall do as the things say. I'll get a bit of grease and grease this up. Oh, it's a bit rusty in there already. Yep, so here's the piece. So what I'm going to do is put a bit of grease on this. I'm surprised it's so rusty. It's brand new. I've not used it. So put a little grease on that. Put a bit of grease on the threads here. It would need to be just where that goes in there to be at the right point for this here. So about there. Now it seems to be tight. Now we can 17. It seems to be at the right point. And it is coming up. So it's completely come off. So. Now I gotta get it out of there. Oh, we can get it out in bits. Oh, it broke. First use, and it broke. I think another one of them is broke. So I think we'll have to take it out and well, huh. Look at this. Broke. Numerous of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them have actually broken on first use. Well, so much for that. So after first use, it's really broke up. It did a reasonable job on the dent, and if it hadn't broke, I probably could have got it out better, but at least that's not as bad as it was. So, oh well, Amazon will be getting back. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.